Hello everyone, welcome to this our new lecture on mains question series. And today we will solve industrial numerical, that has been industrial engineering numerical, that has been asked in Indian Forest Service 2018. Okay, so what the question is: the production department of a company requires uh, 3600 kg of raw material for manufacturing a particular item per year. So that means first to write down the given data. The demand is given as 3600 kg per year. Okay, the it has been estimated that the cost of placing an order is 36 rupees. So ordering cost per order, it is given that 36 rupees per order. Okay, and the inventory carrying cost is a 25% of the investment in the inventories. So that means holding cost or carrying cost, whatever you will tell, it is a 25% of the invent unit cost. The statement or written over here is 25% of the investment in the inventory. That means investment in inventory means the investment what you are doing in raw material. Okay, and the price of the investment is 10 rupees per kg. In next statement they are given is the unit price, that means unit cost of that raw material, it is a 10 rupees per kg. So 25% of 10 rupees of 10 rupees, it is a 2.5 rupees. Okay, this is our uh, inventory holding cost per kg. Okay, so what they have asked is what you have to find optimal lot size, that means economic order quantity, we have to find it. Okay, the second is optimum order cycle time. So optimum order cycle time means the time between two consecutive orders. So I'm taking as a t, and minimum yearly variable inventory cost. Okay, so that means what is the variable inventory cost per year? VIC, variable inventory cost. So let's start with our first EOQ. Okay, so we know that EOQ is given by equation when there is no shortage or no uh, consumption, that is Wilson Harner model. 2 times demand into ordering cost upon holding cost or carrying cost, whatever you say. So that means 2, demand is 3600 units per year, ordering cost is 36 rupees per order, and holding cost is 2.5 rupees per kg. So when you solve it in calculator, you will find the answer is 322 kg. That means this is our order quantity, EOQ. This is our first answer. Okay, the next is time between two successive orders. Time. Okay, so you know that if we somehow find number of orders, uh, how many times we have to give order, and when we now divide that order number of orders with 1 year. Okay, so we can find the time. That means the time is, for example, this is my first ordering time, and after some time my raw inventory was finished out, and I again the order reorder. Okay, so the time between these two, it is known as time between two consecutive orders. Okay, so this, so we now you can say that how many number of times orders, because the demand upon EOQ. By this is just very common sense. it is 3600 kg is our total demand, and in one order our economic order quantity is 322. So to meet this 3600 kg raw material, okay, we required number of order. So when we divide it with 322, we will find 11. Okay, 11 point something, but it is 11, okay, because very small 11.01. So it is 11 orders. Okay, so 11 orders per year. So okay, so what in what is the time between these two orders? So this time is 1 year. 1 year, that means 12 month upon 11 orders. So our time is 1.1 month. Okay, when you divide 12 by 11, so you will find 1.1 month. So after 1.1 month, you have to again reorder. So this is our answer of second question. And now the very interesting is third, variable inventory cost. What is the variable inventory cost is? Let me tell you. If I store 322 kg or 1 kg or 2 kg or 100 kg, my unit price will remain same, because no discount is here. Discount is not given here. So if I uh, store 100 unit or 200 or 300, my unit cost, purchasing cost will vary as per uh, the order. Okay, and it is not depend upon time. So if I increase the lot size, so I need to improve my storage area. That means holding cost increases, but my number of order will decrease, so ordering cost will be decreased. And opposite to that, if I decrease the lot size, then I have to give the number of order more times, so my order cost will increase, but we require less storage area, so our holding cost or carrying cost uh, will decrease. Okay, so the main variable cost that is associated with this ordering cost and holding cost, these are the variable, because unit price is not varying. Okay, so ordering cost is what ordering cost is given by ordering cost per order into number of orders per year, and holding cost, it is equal to unit holding price and number of sorry, what is the unit number of odd unit quantity in one order divided by 2. And we also know that at Wilson harness model, at EOQ, ordering cost is equal to holding cost. I hope you all know this. Okay, and what here question asks is minimum yearly variable inventory cost. So inventory cost is minimum at the EOQ. When you draw this graph of inventory, this is the carrying cost and this is ordering cost. Okay, as the carrying cost, and this is the ordering cost, and number of units, and this, as we decrease the number of unit, the carrying cost will decrease, and as we increase the number of orders, the you cost of ordering will be go high. Okay, let me differentiate all this. Okay, so this is ordering cost, CO, and this is carrying cost. Okay, black with black pen. So at minimum is at this point, and this point is our EOQ point. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you that minimum is at EOQ. Okay, the graph is basically I have shown here is for you to understand at inventory cost is minimum at EOQ. So here ordering cost and holding cost is same, so we can say that in our case at EOQ, variable inventory cost is equal to 2 times of ordering cost or 2 times of holding cost. I am writing here or two times ordering cost because I have find number of orders already. Okay, so ordering cost is ordering cost per unit order and number of orders. So when you put the values, you will find the variable inventory cost it as a 792 rupees. Okay, so this is our answer of third question. I hope you like this solution and the representation. If you have any doubt, then please ask in comment section. I will try to solve your queries also, and if possible, then I will show this queries here and solve on next video also. And please subscribe this channel for daily videos of this kind, and share with your friends also. And if you have any suggestion to me regarding these videos or any qualities or any other type of questions like that I need to add in my question series, then you can also tell any other examinations or like SSC JE or any state exam. So definitely I will solve it. Okay, your doubts clearing is our first priority. Thank you for watching this video.